Immigrating to Canada brings incredible opportunities, but it's not without challenges. One common hurdle: outdated resumes. Using old formats and irrelevant skills can keep you sidelined in the job market. Then there is the Canadian experience conundrum. Employers often demand it, but how can you gain it without landing that first job? Many newcomers also lack insight into the Canadian job market, leading to wasted time and frustration. Let's not forget about the influence of friends and family. While well-intentioned, their advice can sometimes be limiting. But fear not. There are always ways to navigate these obstacles. Seek out resources like career training programs to update your skills and understand the Canadian job landscape. At Get Trained, Get Hired, our accounting and bookkeeping courses are of high quality as you get to practice from real office files that come in our accounting firm. These are the same files on which you will work on your job. This is our key success factor, and this is why firms prefer our students. With determination and the right support, you can turn these challenges into opportunities for success. The founder of this company is an immigrant as well, and he has personally experienced the struggle that you are going through. You get to learn from the person who knows the challenges you are facing and has the solution to your problems. Our courses get you job ready in a month. After the training, we work on your resume and try to place you in accounting firms through our network. Join us at Get Trained, Get Hired, and let's embark on this journey together.